How to delete Cash App transactions history. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete Cash App transactions history. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various different options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, the one we need is this one here at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the activity page of Cash App. On this page, you will normally see all your transaction history, but Cash App does not allow you to delete it. So let me show you what you can do instead. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. On this page, there are many options and sections that you can use to access different features of the app, such as the ones you can see here. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. OK, let us proceed. Once you reach the bottom of the page, make sure you tap this option named Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. This is the support page of Cash App. On this page, there are sections that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From them, make sure you tap this option here, named Account and Settings. These options will then appear. Once again, scroll through these options here and look for the name, Close Your Cash App Account. As you can see here, it is. Since Cash App does not allow you to delete your transaction history, the only option you have is to delete your Cash App account and then open a new one and start afresh. So, if you are sure about closing your account, then proceed and tap here to confirm your action. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to delete Cash App transactions history.